Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Adding batteries can mask solar underperformance and make problems harder to spot. Hybrid systems change how energy flows and how we should measure success. Hybrid architectures come in many forms, depending on control strategies and site goals. Control strategies determine whether batteries prioritize reliability, arbitrage, or smoothing output. New failure modes appear when solar and storage operate together, and they are not always obvious. Performance risks include hidden curtailment, misattributed losses, and control-induced cycling. Key metrics for hybrid assets include round-trip efficiency, arbitrage value, and curtailment levels. Round-trip efficiency measures energy lost through charging and discharging cycles. Arbitrage value captures the financial benefit of shifting energy across time periods. Curtailment measures how often and how much solar generation is intentionally reduced. Combining solar and storage increases data and visibility requirements across systems. You need integrated telemetry, synchronized timestamps, and cross-system logs for accurate analysis. ClearSpot extends monitoring and workflows to hybrid assets to surface hidden issues quickly. Their approach correlates solar and battery data to reveal misattributed losses and operational blind spots. When evaluating a hybrid project, ask about monitoring granularity and how control logic is logged. Also ask how performance will be attributed between solar and storage under different operating modes. Finally, confirm how anomalous events will be detected and escalated across teams and systems. Recap the critical questions and ensure visibility is built into the hybrid project from the start. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.